Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Fried dough sticks, called youtiao, is a traditional Chinese pastry with a history of more than 1,000 years. If you go to a Chinese street for breakfast, there is a large smoking oil wok in front of almost every store. It seems that without the existence of fried dough sticks, it cannot be called street breakfast. Today's recipe is home-style fried dough sticks. Let's get started. Prepare 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 milliliters of warm water, about 80 degrees, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of oil. Crack the egg to the flour. Add oil, salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Gradually add warm water while stirring with chopsticks until all the water is added. Press the dough with your fist. Press it for a while, then turn it over. Continue to press the dough until it is slightly smooth, about 5 minutes. Form the dough into an oblong shape. Brush the surface with oil, then wrap in cling film and chill overnight. The next day, take out the dough and divide it into 2 parts. Put 1 part on the work surface. Roll it into a rectangular pancake with a rolling pin, about 10 centimeters wide and 2 milliliters thick. Cut into strips of equal width, each about 2 centimeters wide. Then I get many 10 centimeters long, 2 centimeters wide strips. Stack each 2 pieces together, just like this. Then press down with chopsticks in the middle of each group, like this. Put a wok with 1 cup of oil on low heat. Heat up the oil to 170 degrees. Put in the dough strips, deep frying. Keep turning them with chopsticks to avoid burning until golden brown. Transfer to a plate. Repeat with the remaining dough. I made a total of 12 fried dough sticks. Crispy and delicious fried dough sticks. Its most classic pairing is soy milk. You can soak it in soy milk and eat it, or take a bite of fried dough sticks Drink a sip of soy milk. Whatever you like. If you love today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.